Okay, cryptocurrency traders, this is the time you have been waiting for. So it's time we wrap up our analysis with the crypto market. That's the Bitcoin paired against the USD, likewise the Litecoin paired against the USD. Over the weekend, Saturday, my time right here, I have received a lot of messages, especially from Nigerian traders. There is a breaking news. The government of Nigeria are trying to ban all cryptocurrency trading exchange platform. In fact, it has been banned. The United States government have tried this once in the past and they failed. Crypto market won. The government of India as well tried this in the past and they failed. At last, crypto won. So this is not a new thing in the crypto industry. As well, you can see what happened in the repo market. That is the XEC against the repo. You can see later what happened on the repo, and which I already give analysis. I announced how I invested heavily on repo, and I shared how I made over 200% on return of my investment in the repo market. So this is not a new thing at all in the cryptocurrency market. Which means if you are from Nigeria, you can no longer have access to fund your account or to transact through your Naira or your Nigeria bank account for trading crypto market. But I got a good news for you guys. You don't need to be in a state of panic. Initially, Bitcoin wasn't created to go through all the government bodies or the banks in system or all the exchange trading platform. Bitcoin and the crypto system, the blockchain network, is created for a peer-to-peer group transaction, which means you can still go with your normal trading of cryptocurrency to peer and peer or group system, which means there are a lot of cryptocurrency peer-to-peer trading exchange platform which you can switch to as an alternative. I have links under this video. You can check under this link if you are from Nigeria, if cryptocurrency trader in Nigeria, and then you are finding it difficult to continue your cryptocurrency trading. You don't need to worry, don't need to panic. Check on the links I have under this video. I believe the links is gonna help you to register on a peer-to-peer trading cryptocurrency platform. This is a platform whereby when you register, your transaction can go through a medium of an escrow. Once you want to buy your cryptocurrency, all you need to do is deposit your fund through this escrow system, and then someone with the cryptocurrency you want to buy can transfer to you, and then you can pay the money as well through the escrow medium. So this is a solution for Nigerian cryptocurrency traders. And here comes the question I have been receiving from cryptocurrency traders in Nigeria. They keep on asking me, do you mean this crypto exchange peer-to-peer group is safe? Is it safe for us to trade cryptocurrency exchange platform? In fact, based on my experience in the crypto industry, I believe this is the best system for you to trade cryptocurrency, to exchange your crypto into your local currency. In fact, you don't have to go through any commissions being offered by all these node exchange trading platform. Just a peer-to-peer. I do not mean there isn't any commission going on this or peer-to-peer group exchange platform. The fee right here it's lesser than the one which your exchange platform offered before, because you only pay for the escrow service. So I'm just gonna make a very simple image right there so you guys can understand what I mean to peer-to-peer exchange platform. So for instance, this is the let's tag this rectangular box right here as the seller. So this is the seller right here, and then let's make the intermediary right here as the escrow. So we're just gonna make this right here as a red box as an escrow right here. This is the escrow, and then let's make this box right here as their buyer. Okay, so this right here, let's make this as a blue right here. So I'm just gonna quickly tag this right now so you guys can have a better understanding about the information I'm trying to pass on right here. So right here we got a seller. This seller, this is seller right here. So this is seller right here. So the seller can be you. Maybe you are Ojo, maybe you are Uche, maybe you are Muhammad, or we can just use Musa right here. Maybe you are Musa, you're from Nigeria, and then you want to sell your cryptocurrency to you want to sell your cryptocurrency in exchange for Naira, and then this is an escrow right here. This is the platform which I explained. This platform peer-to-peer acts as an escrow, and then the buyer right here, let's name this buyer right here. Let's name this buyer right here as maybe Shade. Okay, Shade right here. So this is Shade right here. So let's just use this as a blue line right here. So this is a blue. Tag this right there for Shade. Shade is blue. Shade loves blue color. Okay, good. So this is Shade right here. So this is the exchange of the peer-to-peer escrow system. So as you can see right here, here's the seller. And then here's the buyer. This is the buyer. This is Shade who wants to buy crypto from Musa. So this is what Shade has to do. Shade has to send a local currency that is in Naira right here to the escrow, and then Musa, when after the escrow have no informed Musa that Shade has sent his currency, he has sent a certain agreed or value of his or a local currency for the value of crypto he or she wants to get, then the escrow have to alert or Musa. After Musa have got the notification, then Musa can now transact the crypto to Shade. And once Shade receive the crypto, Shade will alert as well the escrow service, I have received the coin. Then the escrow release the fund right here. But on some peer-to-peer groups system, the service sometimes is different, but at the end it always goes through the same system. Because on some peer-to-peer or exchange trading platform, you can have both the seller and the buyer have to transfer to the escrow, and then everything just have to go to this escrow medium right there, so as to create a medium whereby both sellers and the buyers are safe in the transaction. So none of the both sides can run away with maybe the money or maybe the crypto of the other side. So this is how the escrow service work. Alternatively, on some peer-to-peer exchange trading platform, the escrow may require the seller of the crypto to transfer the crypto to them once the escrow receive the certain amount of the crypto which the buyer wants to buy. Then the escrow notify the buyer, and the buyers transfer the local currency to the seller. And once the seller approves that he or she has received the payment for the crypto is sent to the escrow, then the escrow send the digital currency to the buyer's or digital wallet address. So this is how the peer-to-peer or exchange trading platform works for cryptocurrency. These escrows they have made a lot of high positive record, a lot of high positive reviews. They have built a lot of reputable record. So this is the way I think, based on my experience, that you can defeat your government. This is the way you can boycott your government or restriction on cryptocurrency trading in Nigeria. So check on the link under this video so you can go through and then read all the terms and conditions and then go through everything so you can start trading your cryptocurrency on this platform. Don't give the government the room. Don't give the government the right. Don't give the government the energy. Don't give the government the grace for them to deprive you your right in this millennium, in this 21st century. This is the information age. This is a global village. No one can block the crypto market. Okay, so crypto has come to stay, and it has come to stay forever. Crypto is the internet money. It is the people's money. So if the government wants to block crypto or trading, or block the crypto system, or block the blockchain, then they have to block the internet first. Once they cannot block the internet, then forget it. No one can block the cryptocurrency market. So this is what I want to share with you guys. So check on the links, register today, and keep on with your cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency has turned a lot of young people into multi-millionaire legally. As well, I'm going to walk you guys through some analysis, technical analysis in the Bitcoin and the Litecoin. These are the markets I have on my watch list. If you want to watch my weekly forecast for this week, I got a link under this video as well. Check right there, because I trade the forex, crypto, stock, metal, and energy market. So I'm going to give a short analysis about the BTC paired against the USD, as well as the Litecoin paired against the USD. So let's dive into the analysis right now. So right here, I got a Bitcoin, and you can see right now the Bitcoin has technically resumed the bullish rally we got right from this level structure right there. And this time right now, this formation we got right there is a symmetrical triangle, and this is a very, very powerful technical chart pattern. Whenever you figure out a symmetrical triangle at an extended move of a bullish rally, it does suggest continuation of this bullish rally. And then right now we can see price is breaking out. I have already accumulated more cryptocurrency after the breakout right there, so I am looking out to see what price has to offer me. Maybe price gonna go in a bullish rally or maybe in a bearish rally. And then take note, I have invested a lot in Bitcoin when price was still trading at this low value of the 10,000, 11,000 of the price level right here. So if you're not trading cryptocurrency right now, I'm gonna advise you not to put a larger sum of amount right here. So right now, the technical formation I got on the Bitcoin is supporting a bullish sentiment. But if price can offer a bearish close back into this pattern right there, then it does suggest the pattern we got right there is a false breakout. As well, I got the Litecoin paired against the USD. So here comes the Litecoin pair against the ULZ. I shared this trading signal with the VIP members community of FSLS when I bought into this cryptocurrency, how I bought it based on the 4-hour chart frame. I'm going to show you right now how I got into this trade based on the 4-hour chart frame. So here comes the 4-hour chart frame of the Litecoin pair against the ULZ. You can see we got the formation right here, resistance, we got the low high strength right here, we got it right here. Price broke out of this symmetrical formation we got right here, and when price broke out right here, I accumulated more Litecoin right here. I shared this entry with the VIP members community of FSLS, and then I know some members as well traded this cryptocurrency coin. So if you are trading it right now, you should be very, very careful of the key levels support, which comes in at the price level of the 154.93. So if you are speculating the price of Litecoin, which I do not, I trade cryptocurrency based on ownership. If you are speculating, the best zone to implement your stop loss right now should be at the swing low right here. That is the price level of the 149.15. And then what I got right here, that is high tendency for the bullish rally to continue on the Litecoin. But if price can close above this low swing we got right there based on the 4-hour chart frame, then don't be surprised if the price of Litecoin skyrocket to the next key level resistance, which would act at the price level of the 186.68. So if you guys are not very familiar, or you find it difficult to understand my key level structure on my trading chart, maybe on the 4-hour chart frame or maybe on the daily chart frame, I construct my key level structures based on the weekly chart frame. So I control my key level structure based on the weekly chart frame, and then I try to analyze to relate it to the daily chart frame. So this is what I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching this weekly forex forecast, and then do not forget to like this video, put a comment down, share this video with your loved one. If you haven't yet subscribed to my free forex trading class, which I do hold every Thursday 8 p.m. GMT +1, there's a link under this video. Check the link, subscribe today so you can attend the webinar which comes every Thursday of every week. And then if you are looking out for a reliable forex brokerage company as well as stock brokerage company, this is a stock brokerage company where you become ownership shareholder of a company in the US. That is, you want to become a shareholder of Tesla, of Amazon, of Coca-Cola, of Google, of Facebook. This is a platform whereby you can become a shareholder and not just the normal speculation you are being offered on your trading platform. So thank you guys. I got all the links right here. Check on the links so you can go through, register for crypto, stock, or forex trading account. Thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next weekly forex forecast next coming week. Peace.